Hi, it's Krista with WTI. Who doesn't love a good spa day? Well, I do, and I don't need to go to the spa anymore to get those luxuries. With the SpaRoom Piccolo Essential Oil Diffuser, I get both the ambiance and the scent that reminds me of being at the spa. Let me tell you a little bit about this diffuser and some of the features that have made it a beautiful addition to my house. The compact, lightweight design of this diffuser makes it so easy to transport and use throughout my home. I find myself using it at a bedside table to give me that nice, soft, warm lighting to fall asleep with the beautiful scent. I place it in my restroom sometimes so that I can get those beautiful essential oil scents going while I'm in the shower to wake me up or help me wind down. So don't wait any longer. Pamper yourself like I'm pampering myself with this SpaRoom's Piccolo Essential Oil Diffuser, and you will not regret it. And that's my point of view.